Hi guys, hello, welcome to 360 Review. This is our new Firestick LTE. What are the packages includes is Firestick, Alexa voice remote and user manual, power adapter, USB cable, HDMI extender and two AAA alkaline batteries. These are the packages which is delivered by Amazon. If you order it in online, it will cost you around 2000 rupees. So let us see how we can connect this Amazon Lite with TV or projector as per your choice. Firestick TV Stick Lite carries a simplified version without TV or volume controls. Let us connect with the extender and Firestick. So let us try with the TV and we will stream some of the videos. So let me put the batteries in. Thank you for watching, and I will be uploading more videos related to the Firestick TV, like setup and video stream, how we can download unknown application to the stick, and how you can watch the normal live TVs in the Firestick. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.